Hey guys, welcome back to Lenap. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, no audio, sound not working. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now if you're having problems with your audio here while playing Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, well in this case there are a few things that you could do here. So first things first, you want to go ahead and go to your desktop here. You want to go to the bottom left, you want to click on search here and just type in the following, which is going to be sound. Let's go open up sound settings. The first thing you want to guarantee here is you need to guarantee that you're using the correct audio. Now, in this case, you want to go to choose your output device here and make sure that you've selected the audio device that you want to hear from. Now, if you have a headset, make sure you choose headset here. If you have a speaker, make sure to choose your speaker. Now, also, you might want to start playing a YouTube video or a sample YouTube video in the background and see if the speaker is not the actual problem here. But once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically click on the option that says app volume and devices or device preferences. If you click on this one, it should open up the different apps that you currently have right now. Now, if you have Dragon Ball Sparking Zero at the background or open the background, make sure that the audio or the sound or the percentage here or how loud it is actually on the 100. So if you have it, like for example, in the 0, then you won't be able to hear anything from that game, although you have other apps at max. So yeah, so in this case, also you might want to choose your devices here, so which going to be the output. So make sure that you have this by default, so that you'll be able to guarantee hear it really from that specific device that you've chosen. So yeah. In this case, you could go ahead and go back here once you've done that. And the last thing that you could do here, just in case they haven't or this doesn't solve your issue, you can go ahead and click on troubleshoot here. It's going to run the audio troubleshooter and detect any problems on your computer. Now it will automatically fix those for you, and hopefully you should be able to start playing Dragon Ball Sparking Zero again. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lenap. Thank you for watching.